I used to think Idaho was called the gem state because it was a hidden gem. I first visited Idaho when I was 12 years old. Having never seen mountains before, I was in awe. I couldn't believe that people got to live so close to something so breathtaking. I was also filled with confusion. Wasn't Idaho supposed to be filled of fields of potatoes? The stereotypes surrounding Idaho made me think Idahoans wanted to keep their beautiful state a secret, that it was the hidden gem. When I found out I could get a scholarship to Boise State, I knew I needed to leave my friends and family behind and start a new adventure. Coming to a new city on your own is terrifying, but I was comforted in knowing that I would never be bored, that nature could entertain me whenever I felt alone. One of the first places I visited in Idaho was Table Rock, and it was weird. I felt no connection to the cross and was freezing because of the wind. I wanted to get back in my cozy car and go home. Little did I know that in just 2 months I would be begging my friends to come up with me to Table Rock. In a short amount of time, Table Rock became such a special place to me and is where I like to go when I feel homesick. Though my first trip to Table Rock felt unsuccessful, that didn't stop me from going back any chance I got. I was desperate for friends and tried to fit into all sorts of groups in my dorm. One commonality between all the people in Boise is that they go to Table Rock as freshmen. So I took multiple trips with all different types of people and still didn't feel a great connection. It wasn't until I visited it with a girl named Taylor that my view of Table Rock changed. We went exploring under the cross where there were graffiti rocks filled with every color of the rainbow. I couldn't believe that I had no idea of the beauty that was hidden under where I had visited so many times before. The next time I went up there was with my new friend Macy. I couldn't wait to show her my new favorite spot. We climbed on the rocks and talked for hours. It was a moment we went from friends to best friends. Even today, we still visit Table Rock and think back to the beginning of our friendship. When I got to go up there, I am reminded of how lucky I am to go to school in Boise and that I'm able to be around such special people. After my first semester at Boise, my mom told me how surprised she was that I wanted to stay. I think it had something to do with my past and moving states. When I first moved from Michigan to Indiana, I cried almost every single day until Halloween when I won the costume contest. I was so sad that I lost my old friends and that nobody could ever like me again. After winning the contest, I had a realization that location does not matter. It is the people we are around in our lives that make it full. Even though I'm blessed to have Table Rock as my little slice of heaven in Idaho, it is the memories I made there with the people I love that make it so special to me.